What's up? You have a lot to say this morning? Uh-huh. What else? You want to cuddle? No? Maybe a little? You want me to follow you that way, huh? Okay. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Basement?
I don't know. Yeah, something over here. Something over here. Okay.
She wants toy.
You want your toy? Oh, okay. It lives in this drawer? Yeah, okay. Yes, this is your drawer. Do you want me to show you your options? You would like a toy? Would you like a spring toy? Yeah? Yes, we have options here. Ready? Ready? Go! That's it?